Good morning. You're gonna have to ignore my eyebrows. I tinted them last night and they always look crazy for like a little bit after I tinted them, hoping that they calm down by this evening, especially this one. I look insane. I'm realizing this. It's okay. Put makeup on, will be fine. So we have a Christmas to go to today because it's Christmas Eve. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. Merry Christmas Eve, you guys. Crazy. We have a lot of baking to do. I gotta do one more thing of cookies. I have to make 2 sweet potato casseroles, 1 more corn pudding. I have to prep, or we're gonna do a French toast casserole tomorrow morning because it's the first morning where we don't have to be somewhere super early. So we're gonna make breakfast, and I'm so excited to actually do that. I gotta make cranberry sauce. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna dedicate to deviled eggs because those can't really sit, and making like this sweet Chex mix thing. But yeah, probably cueing jaunty montage of cooking right now. Okay, y'all have to ignore the fact that my hair's up and looks super awesome, but we just got done with one of our Christmases that we had to go to today. It's the only one we had to go to today, but Jacob and I, both kids are asleep. Knock on wood, hopefully they stay asleep for a little while because we got some last minute things to do, but then we're honestly just gonna chill and hopefully watch the Santa Claus 3 because that is the only Christmas movie that we had planned to watch that we have not watched yet. I'm gonna wash my makeup off, get in my Christmas PJs. We'll see y'all in the morning.
No, those are bells. See what's Santa. It's down there.
What is that?
Did you get your own store? Look, sweetie. There it goes. Baby touch and feel book. Oh my goodness. Is that for Sissy? Ready? Do you think? Do you want your hands out? You want to pull it? Pull the paper.
No, she's eating the paper.
Hey now.
Ooh.
Look at that.
So cool, girl.
We're good.
Okay. The pink one. Ooh, so close. Mommy will help you. What is that?
I chew on it. What is it? Who is that?
Is that Bluey? The Bluey magnets?
Can you play with Bluey?
They're like stickers that you can keep using again and again and again.
Is that so cool? Hang on, we have one more we gotta open, okay?
Who is that? Well, who is this? Bluey. And it's got sand and different things that you can find Bluey. And who's that? Yeah, and who's that? Is that Lucky? And who's that? Coco.
Is it Sandbud?
Cool. You get to find them using different tools. Cool. Good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas. I'm probably going to go ahead and sign off here. Just sorry, there's a group chat going on. I'm seeing the messages roll in now, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and sign off here. It's only 8:30, but we've got a lot to do, like a lot of places to go, and I want to make sure that, you know, I'm spending that time with family. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this set of vlogs for Vlogmas. Be sure to subscribe, stay tuned down below for more content throughout the end of this year and next year. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.